Welcome back to Google Class. Dear students, I am James here. How are you? Sorry. Today I am going to discuss with Transfer of Property Act. Okay? Transfer of Property Act. New chapter, Exchange of Exchange. Under section 118 to 121. Okay? This chapter explains the provision about exchange from section 118 to 121 of the TP Act. Okay. First, the 118 section 118 defines exchange. Okay. 118 define exchange. What is exchange? What is the meaning of exchange? Okay, what is the definition of the exchange? Here, where two persons mutually transfer the ownership, where two persons mutually transfer the ownership of one thing for the ownership of another, where two persons mutually transfer the ownership of one thing for the ownership of another. Neither thing, 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 or both things being money only. Okay, neither thing or both things being money only. The transaction is called an exchange. Okay, before I am going to explain other section, I just wanted to give what is the difference between exchange and sale. Okay, as per the Transfer of Property Act, what is difference between sale and exchange? Because then it is easy to understand the method of exchange. Okay, here sale is always for a price. Okay, which means money or the current coin of the country. Okay, consideration means money and money only. Okay, but exchange, there is no price paid by money. There is no price paid by money. It is a barter system, BARTER, barter system. Okay, if one property is exchanged with another property, of course sometimes money may also be added to the property to equalize the consideration. Here what is the consideration? Money. Okay, so the second point of differentiation, sale, there is one thing for the ownership transferred from one person to another person. Here the sale, the buyer pays the money and gets the property. Okay, buyers pays the money and gets the property. The seller takes the money and gives the property. Okay, this is sale. Here in exchange, when two persons mutually transfer, number one, the ownership of one thing for the ownership of another. Number two, neither thing or both things being money only. The transaction is called exchange. Okay, now it's clear. The third point of difference, sale is explained section 54 to 57 of Transfer of Property Act. Here exchange is explained in section 118 to 121 of the Transfer of Property Act. Okay, sorry, fourth point, the seller as the charge from unpaid purchase money in the case of sale. The seller has the charge from unpaid purchase money in the case of sale. Okay. Fourth point, the exchange. There can be no seller's change for unpaid purchase money in the case of an exchange. Another point. The fifth point, the sale. The right is not provided to the seller in the transaction of sale. Okay. In exchange, section 119 to Transfer of Property Act provides the statutory right to a seller in exchange. Okay. The sixth point, one example, the sales. A sales his house for rupees 1 lakh to B. Okay. Who pay monies? It is a sale. Clear? A sells his house for rupees 1 lakh to B. Who pays money? It is a sale. Here the exchange example. A sells a house plot in Ayanavaram, Chennai to B for rupees 5 lakhs. B transfer is 2-story yard building at Madavakkam at Chennai, Tamil Nadu only, to A for rupees 4,50,000 and pays to A the difference of amount of rupees 50,000. It is an exchange. Okay, it is an exchange. Now it clear. The example, exchange example. A sells a house plot in Ayanavaram at Chennai in Tamil Nadu to B for rupees 5 lakhs rupees. Next, B transfer is 2-story building at Madipakkam, situated Chennai, Tamil Nadu district, Tamil Nadu state, to A for rupees only 4,50,000. Okay, and pays to A the difference of amount rupees 50,000. It is an exchange. Now it clear? Because the selling property and exchanging of property is, if higher amount, that time only pay, instead of plot any other land area, will pay the amount. Okay, equalize the equal property value. This is called exchange. Otherwise money is not accepted in this exchange. Okay, the product to product, land to land, that's all. Okay, if any one of the land value is high, that who is the transferor, that particular person's not equalize the equal part of the land value, that person to pay to the opposite person to how many differentiate money to pay. Okay, this was saying exchange. And seventh point, a right of preemption arise out of sale. Okay, preemption. Okay, and exchange, a right of preemption does not necessarily arise out of an exchange. That's all. Okay, difference between sales and the exchange. But exchange also similar to sale. Okay, okay friends, okay students, this is what section 118 and difference between sale and exchange. That's all. Our next section we'll discuss with next video class. Okay, thank you student, bye.